What's up guys, this is iDevice Lab 009 and in this video I'm going to show you how to downgrade untethered your iPad first generation from iOS 5.1 to iOS 3.2. So for this method you need to go to ipsw.me, go on the iPad and scroll down until you see iPad first generation. And you want to download iOS 5.1.1 and also you want to download iPhoneOS 3.2. Once you have those installed, you need to go over to the GitHub page and look for Legacy iOS Kit. I will have links for all of the files in the description. And you want to download the macOS zip file. I won't download it since I already have it downloaded. So we can minimize our web browser, and this is the folder. And you want to open up a terminal window and drag and drop restore.sh into the terminal and click enter. And here we are. We need to click restore/downgrade and powder snow. And now we can select the target IPSW and whatever it might be. So the target IPSW is 3.2. So we can click choose and we can select the base IPSW, which is 5.1.1. Choose. And we can click start restore. Yes. This is now. Yes. All right, so now we need to enter DFU mode. So we can click yes. And now we need to do the procedure. All right, so we do not need to disconnect our device. We need to enter DFU mode. So let me do that. And now we need to drag and drop restore.sh again into the terminal. We can go into useful utilities and disable enable exploit. So we can go enable exploit. We need to put in the DFU mode. And there we go. Our device should now hopefully boot into iPhoneOS 3.2. And we need to drag restore.sh once again, and we can attempt activation in legacy iOS kit. So here we go. And there we go. We are on iPhone OS 3.2. Look at that. iPhone OS 3.2. How cool is this? If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Have fun downgrading your iPad 1 to iPhone OS 3.2, and I'll catch you in the next one.